enhance music experience on iPhone. And with iOS 17, users will have the opportunity to select a crossfade option that provides a smooth transition between songs that are playing. Crossfade option provides the effect of a DJ mixing two songs together, helping bridge the awkward gap between music, and it is especially useful when you have the AUX in your car at a party or at any event. How to enable crossfade option? Go to settings, tap on music settings, and here you will find the option crossfade. Enable it. Option to pick the number of seconds you want to transit to persist, ranging from 1 to 12 seconds. Once it is turned on, the settings will apply automatically to everything you are listening to, with a DJ mixing two songs together.